Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Athens County. This includes Nelsonville, Gloucester, western Morgan County. This includes McConnellsville, southeastern Perry County until 3:45 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 7 miles south of Nelsonville, or 6 miles northwest of Athens, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Eagleport, Burn Oak State Park, Tremble, Renville, Mulch, Jacksonville, Hemlock, Corning, Chauncey, and Butchville. Very heavy rain will also fall from this severe thunderstorm and will cause water to bond on roads and quickly fill roadside ditches and small streams. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday evening for central Kentucky and southeast Ohio and central West Virginia. Please report hail or strong wind to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX.
Flash flood